Thuglife. You've probably seen the memes on the internet and on social media, and where there's someone with a pair of glasses like this, and they sort of map it onto a meme and they say Thuglife, and it turns out you can actually buy the actual glasses themselves, so you too can be Thuglife and go on holiday or wherever you are and live the dream. So this is what they look like, by a company called Alley Hop. Nice little cow logo, nothing much on the back. That's what you get, really. I paid $4, I think, for this, and I think they're a bargain actually at $4. I'm sure they're not great build quality. You can see there's a bit of flex there, so be careful. I'm sure they'll last a day, maybe a short holiday, a couple of days, and then I'm sure someone will sit on them and break them by accident when they're drunk. But yeah, great. Look, little pair of glasses. Not sure how comfortable they are. I'm sure they're not super comfortable. These will probably dig into your nose maybe, but for the odd photo, fantastic. $4. Yeah, definitely recommended buy. Have some fun with that. That's what you get. Pair of glasses and a bit of cardboard. Thuglife. Just quick follow up, just with some detail. So this is sort of slightly raised. I think it's printed. I think it's painted. It'll probably scratch off fairly easily, so it won't last that long. I've noticed on the inside it says, warning, this toy does not provide protection, so they're not UV protection. They're literally just for that photo op. Alley Hop cat blah blah blah, made in PRC. Not sure where that is, but somewhere in the world. So yeah, that's what you get. I like these. They're a keeper. Also, just noticed a nice little detail. You can see the kind of pixelated sort of design, obviously on the front, quite obvious, but it's also on the ear bits as well, the side bits. So that's quite sweet. $4, great buy. And then thanks to our class model, you can see a little bit what they look like. There's a female head, so they're a little big, but you know what? These are comedy glasses, so it's all good. Enjoy. Go and buy a pair. Thuglife.